Right, we have korma paste, 2 diced onions, boiled chicken which is now being pulled or torn apart, and we're also going to add coconut milk as well, some ginger finely chopped, and also fresh cream as well. So the chicken's been added. We're going to slowly, we're not cooking the chicken, it's pre-cooked because it's been boiled and pulled apart first. So all we're going to do now is, now that the korma paste is starting to thicken, we're just going to allow the chicken to soak all of that up. And just a small teaspoon of, there's all my notifications coming through, about that much ginger. Remember, it's finely chopped, so it's quite strong it is. And all we want to do is just add that to the cooking, and that would be enough. Once the paste starts to thicken, then we can add our coconut milk. A 400-gram jar should be enough, or tin, depending on how you buy it. Yep, that's it now. And the last ingredient we're going to add is around 300 milliliters of double cream. You can use single cream, but double cream will just thicken it up a little bit more as well. Just going to give this a good stir. Right guys, just a recap where we're at. So we've got a 400-gram jar of korma paste. We've also got around 100 milliliters of water, 2 diced onions, just under a kilo of chicken which I've pulled apart into small pieces, but I did cook the chicken first in boiling water so it stays juicy and the meat stays white. I've then added 1 can of coconut milk. You can get the extra cream you want if you want it really thick, or the normal version of the coconut milk, so that's a 400 milliliter tin of coconut milk. And then the last item ingredient I'm going to add is the fresh double cream. Now if you add this too early, the double cream, you will find it will go too thick and it's very hard to thinning it back out. At any time whilst cooking this, you can add more water because the cream will thicken it up in the end. And also don't forget your half teaspoonful of ground or chopped ginger. Ground you don't need as much because it's more concentrated, but don't forget that just to give it that kick. At this point in time, if you need to make it go further, then add more water and then keep it on the boil or on the simmer, because obviously the water will condense down and the paste will make it into a thicker sauce eventually the longer you cook it. And like I said, serve the double cream into the korma just before your rice is ready to be cooked, and you want to add around 300 milliliters of double cream. You can use singular cream, double works better, but if you add it too early in the stage, you will find it will go very thick and you'll be able to spoon it out rather than serve it out.